Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets to a healthier lifestyle. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of dieting. Join us as we explore different approaches, including the incredibly popular intermittent fasting. Have you ever wondered about the most effective diet methods or how intermittent fasting can benefit your health? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the potential benefits of intermittent fasting and compare it to other diet approaches. The basics of intermittent fasting. Let's start by understanding what intermittent fasting really is. It's not just another fad diet, it's a lifestyle change. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between predetermined periods of eating and fasting. But what makes it so special? The power of intermittent fasting. Research suggests that intermittent fasting may not only aid in weight loss but also improve overall health. It has been linked to increased metabolism, improved insulin sensitivity, and even enhanced brain function. Are you intrigued yet? Exploring other diet approaches. Intermittent fasting is just one approach. There are several other methods that can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. We'll touch upon popular diets like the ketogenic diet, paleo diet, and plant-based diet, highlighting their unique benefits and potential drawbacks. Finding what works best for you. Now that we've explored the different diet approaches, it's essential to find what works best for your body and lifestyle. Personalization is key. We'll discuss how to listen to your body's signals and determine which approach aligns with your goals and preferences. Expert interviews and success stories. To shed more light on these approaches, we've interviewed leading experts in the field and gathered inspiring success stories from individuals who have achieved remarkable results through these diets. Their journeys will motivate and empower you to take charge of your own health. As we conclude this captivating discussion, it's crucial to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to diets. Explore different methods, find what suits you best, and embrace a healthier lifestyle that works for you. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our upcoming videos on nutrition, fitness, and overall wellness. Together, let's unlock the secrets to a better you.
Amazing!